What do you want? Fine, I will help. Okay, so let's talk about Kendrick and Drake's beef. Oh, wrong script. Ever since Jocelyn was little, she liked to be on her phone, but since that won't pay the bills, she needs to find a career, unless she wants this to be her future. Since she needs a career, and we know some stuff she likes, let's help her make a career. So let's add a little of business, a little of media to keep that phone, and of course money.
To the salon!
I love it.
What is a digital marketing analyst? Here, let me ask my friend Tommy.
I can help with that. A digital marketing analyst is a professional who analyzes data from various digital marketing channels to optimize campaigns and improve performance. They use tools and metrics to track website traffic, social media engagement, email marketing effectiveness, and online advertising ROAS.
What do they do?
A digital marketing analyst analyzes digital data to understand customer behavior, identify trends, and optimize marketing strategies. They use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, monitor social media metrics, and conduct market research to improve campaign performance and ROI.
How does one become a digital marketing analyst?
Go to college. You can get more information from a professor. I have to go class.
Okay, I'll go with you. Okay, we are here. Let's go find a professor.
Hello, what can I do for you?
Hi, I wanted to know more on how to become a digital marketing analyst.
Well, you're in the right place here in UCL. The advertising and marketing industry offers excellent opportunities for students in various majors such as business economics, marketing, communication, public relations, psychology, sociology, and English, among others. To become a digital marketing analyst, you typically need a bachelor's degree in marketing, business, statistics, or a related field. Gain experience with digital marketing tools like Google Analytics, SEO software, and social media analytics platforms.
Is that all?
No, you should build skills and obtain different certificate to build your profile.
How much do they typically make?
It can range from $60,000 to $100,000.
Is this career in demand?
On 2020 to 2030, the career and is expected to go from a demand up of 14%.
Oh, that's good to know. What are you even teaching?
I'm teaching calculus.
I'm so glad a digital marketing analyst doesn't have to do that.
Actually, it can be very helpful to know calculus. Here, let me bring my old student to explain how they use it.
Hello, mister. I am here. What was I needed for?
So I know you're digital marketing analyst, and I was wondering if you may teach the purple thing on how you use calculus.
Oh, perfect. I literally just had to use it for work.
What is calculus even helpful for when marketing?
It is good to optimize the adverting budget. By using calculus, you can find the maximum of return and much more, which can be extremely helpful as it helps not go over the budget.
Huh? What are you yapping about?
This is why I hate working with slow people anyways. Let me give you an example I had to do today for work. So the problem was a digital marketing analyst is optimizing an advertising budget to maximize the return on investment ROI. The ROI-RX for the advertising campaign, as a function of the budget X in thousands of dollars, is modeled by RX equals 2 by 3 plus 15 by 2 minus 36 plus 20.
A digital marketing analyst. I thought you did it.
Oh my gosh, I just made a word problem because you're slow.
Okay, what's the next step, genius?
Do you know the things we at least need to find?
I ain't the one teaching.
So the first thing you need to find is the budget X that maximizes the ROI, and TP second thing is to determine the maximum ROI.
How do you find the budget that maximizes the ROI?
To find the maximum roll, we first need to find the critical points by taking the derivative of our x with respect to x and setting it as 0. So let's take the derivative. After we take the derivative from the original equation, we get minus 6x cubed plus 30x minus 36.
Don't you have to equal it to 0?
Yes, finally you're getting it. You equal it to 0 in order to find the critical points. Since we are able to simplify a minus 6, we are going to do that by dividing negative 6 to each one, so don't get lost.
Is that why you get x squared equals 5x plus 6?
Yes, and after that we need to factor which gives of two critical points of x equals 2 and x equals 3. Next step is to determine the maximum roi.
How do you do that when you have two critical points?
To determine which critical point corresponds to a maximum, we can either use the second derivative test or evaluate the function at these points and compare the values. So let's find the second derivative, which is negative 12 plus 30.
What do you do next?
Next step is to evaluate the second derivative at the critical point 2 and 3. Our 2 equaled 6 while our 3 equaled negative 6, which means 3 is our critical point.
Why is that?
Since our 2 greater than 0, x equals 2 is a local minimum. Since our 3 less than 0, x equals 3 is a local maximum.
And we use 3 because we need to find the local maximum.
Correct, and now, since at 3 we know the maximizes, the y is $3,000.
But how do we find the maximum, Roy?
You find the maximum roi by putting 3 back into the original function, which will give you 47. This means the analyst determines that allocating a budget of $3,000 maximizes the return on investment, achieving a maximum roll of 47. Wow, calculus is pretty useful for marketing. Yeah, and marketing, the more skills you have, the better. Yeah, now I have to go before you make me more slow.
Yeah, I'm going to go home now, bye. Well, thank you for sticking around even though you had no choice. Wait, where is my promised cookie? Oh no, I'm going to get really. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys.